It was good. Another last-second game for the Giants. Titans-Browns, next Johnny Manziel.
Johnny Manziel put it up top.
Put it up top.
Coverage, knew what he was throwing against. And in those situations, he's shown that he's been pretty good when he knows what's happening, what's coming.
Remember, there's a
Former Brown.
West.
West back in Cleveland, and he says, Joe Hayden, you know you're my man.
Yeah, here, have this.
So you're saying he's in a giving mood.
Yes.
Hayden gets the ball, and Johnny Manziel says, you know what, I got somebody who won't cough it up.
Crowell, get mad. Iron.
West used to share time with Crowell. Crowell this time said,
Hey, I know the dog pound right there in that end zone. I know they love that run.
That was a nice finish.
Marcus Mariota loses his shoe, loses his lid, and then loses the ball.
Well, they're trying to use this athleticism. You move the pocket so that you can extend the play. You try to get a shorter read, but it wasn't there. Now he's trying to extend the play with his legs. Guys in this league close on you. Marcus, know that they close quickly. He'll learn.
He's learning, and the defense right there is spectacular by Joe Hayden. You just don't throw at that guy, but meanwhile, the worst news is they lose another lineman.
And hopefully Chance can get back.
Yeah. They need that big boy. They need that big boy.
Indeed,
but Manziel gets a win.
Hey, don't spoil it just
No, I'm going to spoil it. I know. Manziel, they're doing their thing here. Coming back, and you want to see the growth from Tennessee. I still want to see Mariota continue to make plays, but this is something also you want to see.
Now, this is vintage Johnny football. Goes down the field again. Who do you think he's calling?
He makes a play.
Travis.
He finds Travis, and again, understands before the snap that he has man coverage, and he's continuing to play looking for his guy across the field.
And this is where, let's just be honest, Marcus hasn't been asked to do a lot of this stuff. This is where you start to feel the presence of a defender coming from behind you, closing in his front of his face and behind him. Congrats, Johnny Manziel.